Hey guys, it's Chrono Gaming. We're gonna be playing Battle Run. You might have seen it in my other videos on my tablet, I'm not sure. I've been playing this off screen a lot. And you guys are probably saying right now as you look at the screen, why don't you buy this guy? And I almost did, I would have been so mad. Because I'm saving up for this guy. In my opinion, he's way better and way cooler. And then, got these guys. Got Baby Lou and Catter Pooper. I did not name those. Even though I think you can't name them anyways. So, let's get into the match. I'm sorry if I cough a lot in this video. I'm still sick. It's very bad. So yeah. Sorry if you made your ears bleed if I cough loud enough. Hopefully I don't. Because I tried recording this one more time and the reaction came so funny. We went inside of a mat. Okay. I coughed uncontrollably. Let me put the volume on, that's way too loud. So I'm the kid in the green hoodie. Okay, we got a hoverboard. I'm gonna beat this guy. Ooh, that boot. Oh, okay, there we go. We play something down. Okay, you can see at the bottom of the screen that little line. It shows you where we are. If I get the bomb, I usually place them. Oh no! Don't kill me! If I get a bomb, I usually place them on somewhere where you have to jump. Come on, go. And the reason I got the Catter Pooper is because he'll poop and slow them down. See, look. Look, he just pooped all over the floor. And I ain't picking that up. So let me just throw that because no one's in front of me. Come on, go. I don't need those. Okay, there we go. We won our first match. Oh, what did I get? Oh, play one race. Finally, I got those. I've been waiting all day to get them. So I can get one more egg. Oops. How come they get dinosaurs? I don't know how. Oh, I like this one because of the music. And how the level looks. Come on, go. How did you not die? And I died. And I died again. God damn it. Oh, the fourth person left. Go, come on. I can still catch up. Ah, no! Get hit by my rocket. Yeah, he got hit. You get hit. Okay, Catter Pooper, do your job. Okay, I'm gonna use it so I can go faster. No! Yes, we won our second one. Okay. Okay, I'm silver 3. Okay, I don't want to rate it. Okay. Oh, 6,000. Yes. I can buy this guy, but I don't want to. Leave a thumbs up if you guys want to see this. Did I say thumbs up? Up. If you want to see it. And dislike if you just want to dislike. I don't care. Okay. As I said, I might cough, and I did. Alright. Let's see how we can do. The person behind me probably has a rocket. Oh no, he has a rocket on him. Ooh. And there's one after me, I think. So I'm just gonna keep this rocket. Never mind. Oh god, that almost hit me. Can we get like something that will boost me? Why do I have Baby Lou? Oh, I switched it. No. Baby Lou, come out. Chainsaw. I'm sorry for not uploading in a long time. I'll try to make a double upload if you guys want. It might be just like an Pixel Gun 3D egg hatching. So, cause you guys seem to like those, and me getting really mad not getting anything good. Just keep on playing. We'll get like 3 or 2 more. Yeah, let's do 3 so we can get that objective. This is the very first map you play in when you start the game, so keep that in mind if you're gonna download it. Oh my god, I got punched. Hey, but I got a mine. Come on. Oh god. I'm gonna drop that down because it doesn't really seem like I need it right now. Okay, I need this. There you go. Baby Lou. Come on. Throw it. Hit him. Come on, hit the guy. I'm catching up to him. Very slowly. Baby Lou. Oh, he already finished. We got 2 more matches. And it's gonna be the end of the video. I'm sorry if this is a bit short. I'll try to upload a Pixel Gun video too, so you guys don't feel bad. Come on. You guys want my channel just to be all around Pixel Gun? Cause that's fine with me. I love that game. Okay, I dodged both of those dangerous things right there because I died. Get killed, bruh. Oh, eggs. Are you serious? Baby Lou. Why do I keep on forgetting to change him? I'm so glad you can't hear yourself on the thing. Oh, with the rocket I meant. And I just killed that guy. How come you keep on getting your tank right when I'm beating you? Baby Lou. No, the other guy won. Alright. 1 more match. And yeah, that's it. So, hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys are lucky, I'll play 1 more. Yes, my favorite map. That dog just went right through the square thing. I got killed. Great. Great start. Yes, I'm first. Not anymore. Never mind. I am. Yeah. If you guys didn't know, if you hold down the item thing, it'll make you slow down. Let me place this mine right here. So the dog stepped on it. And how did I get killed? Oh my god, I hate this game because of that. Right when you're in first place, you always get killed and you end up in last. Well, that seems to happen to me. I'm not sure about you guys. Come on. I want to win. My viewers need to see me win. Well, they don't need to, but I want them to see. I want to be second place. Yes, I just beat him. Okay, the dog won. Let me collect this. Alright. We'll play one more match. And this is gonna be the end of the video. I don't know why I said it like that, but I said it. Okay, we got the box. And they're probably gonna kill me right now. Oh, I missed him. There we go. Okay, I placed the bomb right there. And if you see at the bottom of the screen, if their character's head goes in circle, that means they died. Okay, someone has a chainsaw. I can hear that. And I just died. And I'm gonna catch up. Never mind. If I hear them use their special animal thing, I'm gonna use mine. Alright, come on, baby Lou. I believe. Throw that. Oh, I just missed him. Girl, please don't kill me. Oh, God. Okay. This is gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe, all that stuff. Stay cool, stay awesome. I'll see you guys next time.